Rancho Performance Suspension and Shocks. If you're looking for the perfect ride for your Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, either on or off-road, look no further than the 3-inch and 4-inch trail system from Rancho. In addition to the enhanced ride and overall stance that comes with either the 3-inch or 4-inch trail systems from Rancho, these systems give you the ability to add larger tires to your JK, which is something we know our customers have been looking for. The 3-inch system will accept up to 35-inch tires, while the 4-inch will accommodate 37-inch tires. When making this modification, the experienced engineers at Rancho have designed both of these trail kits to avoid compromising the caster and pinion angle on your JK, which is a common problem with some of the other kits on the market today. Other than the 1-inch lift height difference from the 3-inch to the 4-inch trail system, the difference in the kits is evident only in the upper adjustable control arms included on the 3-inch kit versus the inclusion of only the lower control arms on the 4-inch kit. Having our customers' pocketbooks in mind, we added only components that were absolutely necessary to achieve that perfect 3-inch or 4-inch lift, and to keep the caster and pinion angles at normal operational settings. Both kits from Rancho have been tested numerous times by in-house and outside technicians to ensure that OE caster specifications are met within plus or minus 1 degree. This will make sure your JK will align to factory specifications. Similarities between the 3-inch kit and the 4-inch kits include the perfectly calibrated coil springs made of high-grade U.S. steel, manufactured in the USA. Additionally, the engineers at Rancho have precision-tuned the front and rear springs to accommodate for larger wheels, tires, and additional accessories that are typically added to Wranglers. Rancho also includes an adjustable track bar, rear axle track bar bracket, front extended sway bar links, and extended front brake lines, which allow this suspension system to perform beautifully, either on or off-road. And where would any suspension system be without a set of world-renowned Rancho shocks? The 3-inch and 4-inch trail systems are tailored to ride with Rancho's RS5000, RS7000 MT, or RS9000 XL series of shock absorbers. All Rancho shocks are tuned specifically for Rancho suspension systems, as Rancho is the designer and manufacturer of their own suspension systems and shocks. At Rancho, we want you to be happy with whatever Rancho performance suspension system you choose. Starting with either the 3-inch or 4-inch trail system will allow you to build your JK around your lifestyle today and in the future. Both systems can be upgraded down the road, or trail for that matter. Rancho has a variety of add-on components that you might not need today, but may want down the road as your off-road driving experience increases and you demand additional performance. If you want confidence in the products you buy from a company that has been building quality products for 60 years. Rancho Performance Suspension and Shocks. Lifestyle defined since 1955.